Good morning, my dear students. Today, I'll discuss the isomerism in the complexes. Isomerism is of two types, structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. In this class, I'll discuss stereoisomerism. In stereoisomers, they have same formula, same structure, but difference in the spatial arrangement. For example, if you consider right hand, the same formula is for left hand also. So these two have the same structure, same formula, but differ in the spatial arrangements. These fingers are arranged in this direction, these are arranged in the opposite direction. There is a major difference from the structural isomerism. In complexes, we are discussing only two types, geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. There is no question of conformational isomerism in complexes. Whereas in organic chemistry, there is a conformational isomerism. But here in complexes, no chance of any conformational isomerism. That is important difference we have to notice. In stereoisomerism, two types, geometrical and optical. Geometrical isomers differ in the relative position of the ligands. Geometrical isomerism can be explained in two cases, with coordination number 4 and coordination number 6. With coordination number 4, two shapes are available, tetrahedral and square planar. If sp3 hybridization takes place, then the molecule is tetrahedral. If dsp2 takes place, then the molecule is square planar. In tetrahedral complexes, no chance of geometrical isomerism. Why? Because all are equidistant. For example, consider this tetrahedral shape. These four ligands are equidistant. Hence, no chance of separation of the ligands based on the angle. All angles are 109.28 minutes. Whereas in square planar, two ligands may be arranged adjacent, that is 90, and two ligands may be arranged at opposite side, that is 180. If they are at 180, the distance is maximum. If they are 90, the distance is minimum. So I'll discuss the complexes with coordination number 4, in which tetrahedral complexes never show geometrical isomerism. Only square planar complexes show geometrical isomerism. One by one examples. MA4. This complex does not show any type of geometrical isomerism since all ligands are same. MA3B. This complex doesn't show any geometrical isomerism. Three ligands are similar, one ligand is different. And now come to this example. MA2B2. This complex shows geometrical isomerism, cis-trans isomerism. If the ligands are on the similar side, it is called cis. They are on the opposite side, it is called trans. Look at the example. This can be written like this. This is a square planar complex. M A B B. This angle is 90. So this is called cis form. This angle is 180. So this is called transform. This is called transform. So in MA2B2, two types. So this exhibits the geometrical isomerism. Example, platinum This is called a platinum complex. This is called cis, commonly named as platinum. This complex is used for curing cancer, called cisplatin. This is trans form, which has no medicinal values. That means it is not at all used for cancer curing. So this is one of the important applications of the cisplatin. This comes under this heading. These are nothing but ligands. Two ligands are one type, two ligands are another type. Third variety. M, A, B, C, D. This is A, B, C, D, where these four are ligands. This is one form. The second form is this. Keep A constant, change this. Another form. Once again, A is kept constant, BD over C. So how many forms are obtained? Three forms. These are not called cis-trans, but they are geometrical isomers. In cis-trans isomerism, in previous cases, I discussed it. So these are the three geometrical isomers. So it has three forms. Next, another example. M, AB twice. This is plus or minus, that is maybe complex. This is called bidentate ligand, where AB may be like this. An example is this is called glycinato, where A refers to one ligand, B refers to another ligand. So this complex is like this. Here A and B. A and B. This can be written like this. Because NH2 starts here, CH2, COO. Here also A and B like this. NH2 starts here, CH2, CO. A are on the same side. Therefore, this is cis form. This is NH2, CH2, COO. NH2, CH2, COO. So A are on the opposite side. Therefore, this is trans form. So this type also shows cis-trans isomerism. So this is with the geometrical isomers. I have given these four examples. Look at one more example. This type doesn't show the geometrical isomerism. Why? Because all are same. Four ligands are same. So it is just like MeO4 type. No chance of geometrical isomerism. No. After discussion, the ligands with 4, now we have to go for ligands with 6. If there are 6 ligands, the complex is octahedral. With 6 ligands, optical isomerism is possible. Geometrical isomerism is also possible. Now I am discussing only geometrical isomerism. Look at one by one example. M A6 plus or minus. That means either cation or anion. This complex does not show geometrical isomerism. Why? Because all are same ligands. And this complex MEA5B doesn't show the geometrical isomerism. And now MEA4B2 always this shows geometrical isomerism. So look at here. This is the shape of the octahedral. Four ligands. These are ligands. This form is opposite transform. This form is this form. B are on the opposite side. They are at 180, but these B's are not in 180. This is 90 degrees. So very close, this is very far. So based on these two ligands, so this form is cis. So this exhibits geometrical isomerism. Next example is MA3B3. This is a complex with positive or negative. Where M is the central metal atom. The total shape is an octahedral. A, B, B. One more possibility. These two. Here we can't say which is cis and which is trans. But these two isomers are called geometrical isomers. A ligands, these three ligands, two are on the meridian, one is on the axis. So this is called FAC isomer. That means facial isomer. These three are on the meridian. A. This is the square. On the square, three are in the aligned form. Therefore, this is a MERF form. So facial isomerism, meridian isomerism. The difference is three ligands on the meridian. So meridian isomer. These three ligands are on the face. Octahedral has 8 faces. So these three ligands are in the face. Hence they are called FAC isomer. This is about the geometrical isomer. Right? Next, optical isomerism. Optical isomerism is related to light. That is the isomer which rotates the plane polarized light either towards left side or towards right side is called optical isomer. If isomer rotates the plane polarized light towards right side, then it is called dextro. Towards left side, then it is called levorotatory. So based on the optical activity, the isomers are classified. Look at one by one. First, I will discuss with the coordination number 6. This example, MA6 does not show optical isomerism. Why? Because for exhibition of isomerism, that is optical isomerism, asymmetry should be available in the molecule. What is asymmetry? If you consider this hand itself is asymmetry because 5 fingers are different. So this molecule shows optical activity. You should have an idea about the symmetry also. If you consider a spherical ball, it is symmetrical. If you consider this hand, this is called asymmetry. So only when having asymmetry, then only it shows optical activity. So this does not show optical activity. Next molecule, this A5B doesn't show optical activity. Another molecule, this A4B2 doesn't show optical activity. So these 3 molecules are excluded from the optical isomerism of the complexes having 6. Now look at one by one. One more example. M, A, B, C, D, E, F. This metal is attached to 6 different ligands, A, B, C, D, E, F. Likewise, this hand has 5 different fingers. So this molecule is asymmetry. It shows optical isomerism. It has 15 geometrical isomers. 15 geometrical isomers and shows optical activity. So this molecule shows both geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. In 15 geometrical isomers, they are not at all named as cis or trans. They are just 15 geometrical isomers. All geometrical isomers shows optical activity also. So this is an example where the molecule exhibits both geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Come back. This does not show geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. This does not show geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism, but this shows geometrical isomerism, but doesn't show optical isomerism. This shows geometrical and optical. So you have to find the differences here. This actually has 15 geometrical isomers, which is not explained in the textbook, but it shows optical activity. Simple logic. All 6 are different ligands. Now look at this example. M, A2, B2, C2, plus or minus. This shows look at these examples. This form is trans form, but this form is cis form because AA90, BB90, CC90. Here CCR 180, BB90, AA90. This form is a trans form. This form is cis form. In these 2 forms, this does not show. This does not show optical isomerism. But this shows optical isomerism. Why? Because in this there is a plane of symmetry. That means plane of symmetry means whenever this transform is made into 2 forms, 2 equal forms will be obtained. Look at this. If this is if plane is like this, if this is cut into 2 pieces, this part and this part are similar structure, like as 2 parts, or you can think like this. This part and this part is same. That part is called a plane of symmetry. If plane of symmetry is there, then it is optically inactive. So this does not show optical isomerism, but this shows optical isomerism. What are optical isomers? The non-superimposable mirror images are called optical isomers. So this is an example. If a mirror is placed here, it will appear like this. A mirror image. C, B, and here it is B, C, A, and A. So these two are non-superimposable mirror image structures, hence optical isomers. So in this example, only cis form shows optical isomerism. Trans does not show optical isomerism. Why? Because this is called plane of symmetry. Next example, M. This type. In this type, two structures can be written. What is this ligand? NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2. Ethylene diamine or ethane 1,2-diamine. So this is a ligand A. This is also ligand A. This is a bidentate ligand with a similar A. And this form is trans form. Look at this example. B are on the opposite side, trans. B are on the same side, cis form. This trans form has plane of symmetry, so does not show optical isomerism. What is plane of symmetry? If this molecule is cut into two pieces, both are identical. Both are identical, for example. If this hand is made into two pieces, then both are not identical. The structure is different from this structure. If rubber ball is made into two parts, both sides will be similar. So that is called plane of symmetry. If a molecule is made into two parts, both parts should not be identical. If it is identical, then it is called plane of symmetry. So here there is a plane of symmetry likewise. If you cut this, the above and below part are same. So this is a plane of symmetry. So this does not show optical isomerism. Doesn't show optical isomerism. But this shows optical isomerism. Shows optical isomerism. Why? Because if this is placed in front of the mirror, then we get a non-superimposable mirror image structure. We get a non-superimposable mirror image structure. These are non-superimposable mirror image structures. So this shows optical isomerism. This does not. So this section explains only this form shows optical isomerism. Next example, M AA3 type, plus or minus. Plus or minus. What is AA ligand? Just AA is equal to NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2 like example. Now look at this example. AA, AA, This is called bidentate ligand, chelating ligand. This is neither cis nor trans. No question of definition, geometrical isomerism here, because all ligands are same. It never shows geometrical isomerism, but it shows only optical isomerism. This example shows only optical isomerism. Why? Because whenever this is placed in front of the mirror, we get this structure. A non-superimposable mirror image structure is obtained. AA, and here also AA, and likewise. These are non-superimposable and the metal atom like this. So this type of example shows only optical isomerism, no question of geometrical isomerism. Another example, MAA to BC. We can write like this. AA, chelating ligands, B and C opposite direction. So if these two are in opposite direction, then it is called trans. But in this case, then it is cis. In previous example, that is, we have discussed MAA twice B2. In the similar way, this is also. This form is transform. This transform does not show optical isomerism, but this shows optical isomerism because it has a non-superimposable mirror image. So it can be written like this. These two are non-superimposable mirror images. Hence it shows optical isomerism. So only cis, but not trans. M, A, B, 3 plus or minus. Where AB is glycinato type. What is glycinato? A is of one ligand, B is of another ligand. A and B. This may be referred as A, this may be referred as B. In this case. AB, chelating ligand. AB, chelating ligand. AB, chelating ligand. AB. No two ligands are on opposite side. So this form is cis form. Cis form. Now look at this example. M, AB, AB. AB. Now look at this. This BR, opposite side. AR on opposite side. Here there is no such facility. So this form is transform. This shows optical activity. This also shows optical activity. So optical activity, optically active. This is also optically active. So in this example, both cis and transform, both shows optical isomers. But in the previous cases, almost all only cis forms. Majority of the transforms do not show optical isomers. But in this case, cis also shows and trans also shows. So it has both dextrorotatory and levorotatory. This molecule is also having both dextrorotatory and levorotatory. This is about the optical isomerism in case of ligand 6. Finally, in tetrahedral complexes, optical active isomers should have the formula like this: M, A, B, C, D. This complex shows optical isomerism. These complexes, MA4 does not show optical isomerism. EMA3B does not show optical isomerism. EMA2B2 does not show optical isomerism. So this is tetrahedral complex. So tetrahedral complexes having asymmetry, that means 4 ligands are different, then it shows optical isomerism. In tetrahedral complexes, no asymmetry because ligands are same. So these 3 molecules do not show optical isomerism.